Woods homestead, y'all. That should get me by until I'm better paid, as my dad says. Y'all, we got rain coming. Thank God. We need it bad because the crops need it. Everything needs it, y'all. We'll try to get some wood on the mill today, some logs. Need some more siding for that off-grid cabin. That's the plan, and we'll bring you along for that, guys. Thanks for stopping in here at the Piney Woods. Hit that old like and subscribe if you haven't. And y'all, if you have, as always, we appreciate you. Y'all, it's been a few weeks since I've milled because I've been doing other stuff. We've been busy, as I told you, getting a project ready. We're almost done with the project we're going to share with you here real soon, y'all. Something that hopefully is going to benefit our homestead. It will. But I got to clean out under these rails. It's walnut and some cedar in here, and I really don't want to use that in compost. So I'll use it in places that have ruts along the way to where the pigs are, to keep us from bouncing quite so much on the gator. All right, y'all, if I hadn't told you what I'm milling today, I'm milling live edge siding, 1-inch live edge siding for the off-grid cabin up the hill. Normally, I have 3 sides squared and the rounded side of the log face the opposite direction. But this is pretty good and straight on the back side. I think I can mill it the way that I have it on here. I'm trying to maximize my cut because normally I end up with a couple of 2x4s, and that's not what I'm looking for today. I'm looking for this siding. We'll speed this thing up and just see how smooth this goes. All right, y'all, that worked out actually pretty good. I kind of got my guard, the right side guard, hung up just a hair because I left that log turned backwards from the way that I normally mill. So I'm not going to do that again. Just thought I would try it to see how it worked out. Didn't work out the way I really wanted it to. I'm still going to end up with a couple of 2x4s on the bottom. This mill will only mill down to 1 1/4 inches, so I'll leave it at 1.5 inches so I can get me that store-bought dress 2x4. And I ended up with, got a couple on the forks, plus 6, so not bad. I got to do a few more today. Get them up to the cabin in the dry before it gets to raining. That's the plan. And y'all, if you can't tell, it's about 85% humidity out here right now. Not that hot, in the 70s, but it makes you feel like you're in a jungle. I was talking to a fella the other day. I believe he was from the Midwest. He had recently relocated to North Carolina. He said, I came here for the climate. And I hear that a lot from folks that didn't grow up here. They came for the mild climate. And yes, there's not much snow here, at least in the Piedmont, but Lord have mercy. If they would only come and try it out during the summer to see just how much of a jungle it is, they might would change their mind and say, I believe I'll stick with that snow. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I got to put some Gatorade in me. Y'all have a good day, a great week, and Lord willing the creek don't rise too high. We'll see you on the next one, and that's going to be hopefully digging some taters.